Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. Today I would like to show you how to crochet an amazing scarf with ruffles. This project is very easy, beginner friendly, and it works up faster than you would think. And it's great for practicing double crochet stitches. The pattern notes and the instructions you will find as always in the box below this video, and written pattern is available at my website. For this project you will need one ball of this amazing soft yarn. It's Alize Super Lana. It has 100 grams and it's really long. There are 570 meters in one ball. I will use 5mm crochet hook. You will also need some scissors and a tapestry needle. And I will work with two yarns together. I will crochet the whole project with two yarns. We will start with a slip knot and we will chain a foundation chain. This foundation chain will be quite long. Let's chain 200 chains, which is almost 2 meters. Okay, if you want your scarf longer or shorter, just make your foundation chain longer or shorter. It's up to you. So I'll just chain 200 chain and I add 3 chains, which will be my first double crochet. Now yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chains, insert the hook in the third one and make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in next chain, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2, yarn over, pull yarn through 2. This is what we will make in this first row. We will work in rows and I will place a double crochet in each chain, so we will have 100 double crochets in this first row. We will start each row with chain 3 and chain 3 counts as a first double crochet in this project. Okay, so look at my work. I place 1 double crochet in each chain and I will meet you at the end of this first row. You will see it's really long. This is it. So we have 200 chains and we have 200 double crochet. This is it. Let's start row number 2. We will start with chain 3, which is my first double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and now I will place a double crochet in each stitch. Okay, I will place a double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous row, so we will have the same number of stitches. And this is my first part of my scarf. The scarf has 2 parts. The first one is the flat one and there is no increase. So it's easy to create the first part, as you will always place a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous row, and we will create 4 rows too in total. Okay, so let me finish my 4th row, and let me remind you that we start each row with chain 3. which is my first double crochet, and we end up with a double crochet placed in the third chain from the previous row. Perfect, I just finished my first part. Now chain 3 and we will start the second part, and this part is the part with ruffles, and I will make a nice let's say border between these two parts. I will create front post double crochet stitches, and I will do 2 front posts around each double crochet from the previous row. So this is my second front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook from the front to back and from back to front around the next double crochet and make a double crochet and repeat it. So insert the hook around the same double crochet from the previous row and finish front post double crochet. And this is what we will do in this row. Always place 2 front post double crochet around 1 double crochet from the previous row. Okay, so we do increase in each stitch. This is the second double crochet. Perfect. Let's look at my work. So this is my wrong side, and let's look at the right side, and you can clearly see this 3D effect, you see, and it's a nice border between the flat part and the part with ruffles. You will see how amazing it will look once we finish this scarf. Okay, so let's finish this row and always place 2 double crochet front post double crochets around each stitch till you reach the last stitch, and the last stitch will be the simple double crochet. Okay, so the second front post double crochet and finish the row with a double crochet placed in the third chain from the previous row. Chain 3 and then your work. This is row number 6, and I will also do increase but only in each 5th stitch. Okay, so chain 3 and then place a double crochet in next 3 stitches. So we will have 4 double crochet stitches at the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now place 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Perfect. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th stitch place 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then in next stitch place 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and this is what you will do till the end of this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet stitches, and then in each 5th stitch place 2 double crochets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in next one I will place 2, 1 and 2. Amazing. Perfect. So you can continue crocheting, and I will meet you at the end. You can see how nice the ruffles are going to be, and you will see we add more rows and it will be really nice. And it's so romantic and Yeah, I love it. Okay, so every fifth stitch is doubled. Okay, and again I will meet you at the end of this row. I know it's real long and we will finish the row with a double crochet placed in the third chain. You see from the previous row, this is how we started each row with chain 3. Okay, so here I am, and let me finish this row. It's row number 6, and this is the row with increase. Okay, I'll do the last stitch. Here I am, perfect. Now chain 3 and turn your work as always, and now it will be really easy. We will also crochet double crochet stitches. You see the ruffles are just going to be nicely visible and I absolutely love how these two parts are divided with that border, and it's so easy to create it. You see, this is it. What do you think? So now we will continue with double crochet stitches, and it will be absolutely easy now, as I will not do any increase. I will just place a double crochet in each double crochet from the previous row, so one double crochet in one double crochet from previous row. So we will have the same number of stitches as we have in row number 6, and now you can, you see, add as many rows as you wish. It depends how your scarf will be wide. Okay, so this is it. So now it will be very easy. Just place a double crochet in each stitch and repeat row number 7, and you can make as many rows as you wish. You see, again work till the end of the row and start each row with chain 3. Here I am, I made row number 7, row number 8 and row number 9, and this is it. I finished the row with a double crochet placed in the third chain from the previous row, and this is it, my crochet friends. In total I made 9 rows. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 2 rows are with increase, these ones and this one, and the next 3 rows are without increase. The first increase we made was to create this nice border, as we used front post double crochet stitches. Yeah, look at this scarf, it's perfect. I really love. It's so easy pattern, it's absolutely perfect for beginners, and you can make your scarf as long as you wish and as wide as you wish. It's fully up to you. And I will do a measurement as always in my video tutorial. So the scarf is 15 centimeters, 6 inches wide, and let me measure the length of this scarf. We started with 200 chains and it was almost 2 meters. Okay, so this is 150, and let me measure the rest of the scarf. Yeah, it's 190 centimeters, 75 inches. So this is it. So let's make your scarf as long as you wish. This is for M size, and I love how long it is. So now let's cut the yarn and prepare your tapestry needle, and we will hide the ends. We will hide both ends, and I would recommend you to work on a wrong side. So this is the right side with this nice 3D border between the flat part and the part with ruffles. So I would recommend you to hide the end on the wrong side, on the opposite side, and yeah, you can very easily go through the stitches and hide the ends. Yeah, I absolutely love this project. It's super easy to create this scarf. You can make it as long as you wish and as wide as you wish, and super easy and perfect for beginners. I used up only one ball of this yarn, and this yarn is super soft. It's amazing, and you know, it's so light. I will definitely use it in my next project as well. And you can choose any color you love. There are many colors in their offer. I decided to use this light gray color. I think it looks luxury and it's so elegant. I used 5mm crochet hook, and yeah, this is the yarn I absolutely love. And this is the end of my video tutorial, my crochet friends. I would like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or put your comment in the box below this video. If you like it, give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Wish you happy crocheting, take care, and bye for now.